big one this time. I don't know what this is. Let's see. I've got some fun stuff coming. I'm hoping this is a rolling pin. I've shown you the work that I've been doing for doing imprinting with embossing rollers. Hoping this is, oh, it's a pretty. And just in time for Christmas. And, you know, BC stuff. This I can use year round because it's kind of got grizzly bears and Canada stuff all over it. How awesome is this? Check it. There are some fandom ones out there that I've been drooling over. My Etsy shop is sitting with about $200 US just in rolling pins. So we'll see how this goes. Maybe I'll fulfill that wish list. If my winter season goes really well and we sell enough soap, I can even make some more soap. Let me show you how this works on cured soap. So we're talking about soap that's already had a chance to sit, and but is still soft. That's what we're using this kind of an impression roller for. I'll show you one that I used on a plastic one. Hold on. All right, on this soap I did two different things. I tried my hand at beveling, which is seriously terrible. This is a roller like this, and this is a lace mat. And, you know, it's sometimes really great and sometimes not so good. The neat thing, and this is hand stamp. So there's a hand stamp, a rolling stamp, which I really like, and then the plastic ones that you stick to the sides of the soap. I put it on the top and the bottom of a narrow log just to see what would happen. So there are some ideas for maybe some soap makers out there, and I'm going to take it up a notch with a really nice roller, and we'll see if this the rolling pin made out of wood does as good of a job, or maybe even better. All right, so watch out for that. See y'all next time. Click like and subscribe, and I hope you come back later and share with your friends. See you. Bye for now.